Kriyayoga meditation is concentration on self, within self, into self, with the true idea, true concept, and true thought. What is the true idea, true concept, true thoughts? It is very difficult to recognize. Then we human beings are having outward life more. Then we want to know truth when we are having outward journey. When you close your eyes, our journey starts inward. With the help of eyes, we are having more outward speed, outward direction. With the ear, we are listening outward things. In Kriya Yoga, we close our ears. We try to feel presence of head to toes. It's a sound, it's a color, it's presence. But majority human being do not like to find ultimate truth within, because we are having five sense organs. They are always look forward. Therefore, many realized masters, saints and sages, they became scientists. They became scientists in the Western country because the West is the place where outward journey is more, inward journey is less. Therefore, in present time, you will find many scientific researches are done in United States and other Western countries. Therefore, important point is that we were realizing that this universe is mortal. Everything in the process of death. When we start realizing this, then we are having same thought about self, that self is mortal. Then in outward discovery, we realize that many scientists has proved clearly that energy never dies. Energy waves are immortal. You can convert energy into matter. They started measuring sunlight in the form of mass, gram, microgram, like this. And they are measuring the solid substances in the energy formula, like calorie and other things. Therefore, important point is that in outward discovery, we have reached to a point that atoms are immortal, radiations, energy waves, molecules, all are immortal. Now try to practice the same principle when you are holding inside. How to concentrate on head to toes, head, face, neck, arms, back, chest, abdomen, and both legs. Try to feel it more and more. Concentrate on it more and more. Then try to apply the same truth on self. Whatever we feel is immortal consciousness. Atom molecules are immortal. Concentrate on each and every part of head to toes more and more, more and more. And whatever we realize, whatever we feel, is presence of immortality. Try to hold this concept and practice few minutes. When we are watching breath, what is this breath? A structure of breath is also congregation of atom and molecules in action, in movement. Then try to concentrate on breath with the same concept. Immortal consciousness is present in this unique form. And we must realize our eternal philosophy that God is immortal. It means one have mathematical calculation that God is immortal and breath is immortal, then God has become breath. God is immortal, atom molecules are immortal, then God has become atom and molecules. God is immortal, energy rays are immortal, then God has become energy waves. God has become thoughts. God has become ideas. Try to hold this concept and practice few minutes concentration on self. This is known as Kriyayoga meditation.